Departure Audi Alaska 629, 3000, climbing 19 on the Joker.
Alaska 629, Las Vegas departure at a contact.
Alaska 629, possible fuel leak staying with you, flying this departure.
Alaska 629, roger, you're declaring an emergency, you're still trying to figure it out?
Still trying to figure it out, stand by.
Alaska 629, roger. Want to level off?
Okay, we'll take 10, 10,000, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, maintain 10,000.
10,000, Alaska 629. Alaska 629, I'd like to resume the climb to 190 on the departure.
Alaska 629, climb and maintain flight level 190.
Climb maintain 190, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, did you guys figure anything out or is it just fine?
We ran through the QRH and the fuel was burning down pretty rapidly. We ran through the QRH and it seems to be... Stand by. Center for Alaska 629, we're not declaring an emergency, but we'd like to return to Las Vegas.
Okay, Alaska 629, you're clear to the Las Vegas Airport via radar vector. Fly your present heading, descend and maintain 10,000.
Current heading, descend and maintain 10,000, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, 47 souls aboard, 161 minutes of fuel when the question gets asked.
Alaska 629, fly heading, let's go 200. You can expect the RNAV visual approach to runway 8 right.
Okay, 200, RNAV visual approach 8 right, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, I guess we're going to declare an emergency for you, so when you're able, need fuel remaining in pounds and personnel on board.
All right, 47 souls, and we've got 16.2 on board for fuel, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, turn left heading 120, and verify you said it was 47 or 147?
47, 47, left turn 120, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, roger. Set to maintain 8,000, contact approach 125.02.
8,000, 125.02, Alaska 629. Approach Alaska 629, with you in the descent to 8,000, we're on a left turn to 120.
Alaska 629, Las Vegas approach, roger. Alaska 629, turn left heading 090, when able, proceed direct to Jaeger.
Okay, left turn 090, when able, proceed direct to Jaeger. Alaska 629 is direct Jaeger at this time.
Alaska 629, roger, you can expect RNAV visual approach for 8 right and let advise when you see the field at your tunnel clock 25 miles.
Okay, I caught everything up to 8 right after that was broken. Say again.
Alaska 629, advise when you have the airport at your 12 o'clock about 20 miles.
Wilco, insight, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, cleared RNAV visual approach runway 8 right.
Cleared RNAV visual 8 right, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, if able, maintain 170 knots to 5 mile final.
170 knots for a 5 mile final, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, contact tower 126.975.
126.907, thanks, Alaska 629. Tower, Alaska 629, just over Modern through 5,700 for 08 right.
Alaska 629, Las Vegas Tower, 8 right, clear to land, wind is calm, you're number 1.
8 right, clear land, Alaska 629.
Alaska 629, left at Alpha 3, you guys able to cross and head to the gate?
Yes, ma'am, we are left at Alpha 3 and standing by for crossing.
Alaska 629 at Alpha 3, you can cross runway 8 left, remain this frequency.
Okay, this frequency, cross 8 left on Alpha 3, Alaska 629.
Las Vegas Tower, red dot 40 plus 3, 8 left. Emergency aircraft red dot 40 has to be assisted to, we're coming down Alpha 3.
Red Dog, Alaska. We're going to stop at this intersection clear of 8 left, and we need a visual inspection for a fuel leak left-hand side. How copy?
Red Dog 40 copy.
Ground 629, like to hold present position, please.
Approved for Alaska 629.
Okay, we appreciate it. Stand by, we'll get gate instructions.